Hi everyone, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we are doing hairstyles. You guys know I love doing curly hairstyles, so I decided to make another curly hairstyles video for you. I really hope you enjoy it. These videos are going to be with the theme of back to school or back to university, just getting back into a mode of, you know, wanting to do your hair every day, wanting to keep it cute but keep it quick, wanting to have your hair out of your face so that you can, you know, study and just, you know, get on with stuff. That's the general theme of this video. So if you are going back to school, if you are going back to university, if you are just in a headspace where you just want to, you know, zone in and focus, just let me know in the comment section because I'd love to know all about it. So all of these hairstyles are going to be featuring hair accessories. They're all going to be sort of half up, half downs. They are just slight variations so that you don't look the same every day. So I have thrown together all of my favorite half up, half down claw clip variation hairstyles for you. They're all super quick, they're all super easy, and I really hope that you like them. Also, let me know which one of these is going to be your favorite.
Okay, starting with fresh hair for the first hairstyle. This one allows you to kind of showcase fresh curls, so let's get into it. So I'm separating my hair in half, and then with the top half I'm going to twist this all to one side until it starts twisting up on itself, and then I'm twisting it to the top, and I place a claw clip on top of it. I've chosen my golden flower clip for this one. Then you can just let the ends of your hair flop down over that, and that's why this is a good one for kind of earlier in the week, closer to fresh hair, because you're really showcasing those ringlets at the ends of your hair when they fall down and they bounce around and it looks so cute, and this is one of my favorite hairstyles. So this one is definitely more of a subdued hairstyle. You're going to be wearing your hair a lot lower down. So I'm taking the top half and I'm tying that together in a satin scrunchie. You can find these on my website, which is headshyhair.com. And I'm kind of loosening that and bringing that down. And then I'm making a gap above the scrunchie and I'm going to flip the hair through. And this creates an inversion. So you get this kind of twisted look in the hairstyle. It's definitely very low down. So something that you wear when you want to be a bit more low-key, I guess, except I'm never really low-key with my hairstyles, so I will of course stick a hair accessory on that. And as we are moving into autumn, I have decided to go with this faux leather chocolate brown bow. I have not seen anyone else wearing a faux leather bow, so let me know if this is something that you've seen or if this is something original. This will go with so many autumn outfits for school, for uni, just strutting around on campus with the autumn leaves falling down. I have a whole vision in my head for this hairstyle, so I'm really loving this. Let me know if you like it. For this next hairstyle, I'm gathering the top half of my hair again, and then I'm going to twist it around my wrist so that you have this kind of croissant formation, and then you can place this hair clip on top. And this hair clip needs you to do it like this because the clip is curved, so it kind of needs to curve around the shape of your head. So you need to use a special technique in order to make that work. So watch this twisting action again. I really don't know how to describe this other than to say that you're wrapping it around your wrist so that you can pull it upwards, and it's just a really quick and easy way to make that kind of French roll shape. And I love it. Let me know what you think. So this next hairstyle is not going to be a half up, half down. It's actually going to be a bun variation. So I'm pulling my hair through the scrunchie, and then on the final turn, I'm going to leave it sitting there halfway through so that you have this big bun on top and you have a lot of hair left underneath. With this hair underneath, I'm going to take another hair tie and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to pull the hair halfway through the scrunchie and leave myself with another little bun. And you can absolutely leave it like that if you like to, but I, of course, would like to place a flower clip on the middle of the buns so that you have this very cute double bun hairstyle going on. It's accessorized, it's cute, it's out of your face, you can study, it's no problem. It's easy to do, it takes less than 5 minutes. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle because I personally love it. Okay, so this next hairstyle is very similar to the last one, but this is a half up, half down. I'm taking my satin scrunchie from my brand Headshy Hair, and I'm tying the top half of my hair into that kind of loose bun just by pulling my hair halfway through the scrunchie and leaving it there like that. And then I just want to place my claw clip on top of that. And this is just a really nice variation of a claw clip hairstyle. I see so many very basic claw clip hairstyles, and I just have so many claw clips. I don't want to waste them doing the same hairstyle all the time. So it's just nice to be able to switch things up and have a little bit of variation every now and then. Let me know what you think of this one. The next hairstyle I want to show you is definitely for the demure girlies watching. So with this one, I'm kind of twisting the top half of my hair lightly and I'm pushing that up a little bit to create a kind of mini bouffant. And then I'm taking this beautiful fabric claw clip and it's in a rose pattern and it's soft, and I'm placing that on top. This is a huge clip. It's definitely a statement, and this speaks to everyone and says that this is a demure girly over here, okay? And you can switch that up. It doesn't have to be bright red. I also have this in a cream color, which works well with so many outfits. Anyway, I just love this hairstyle. I know it's kind of a bit out there if you're not into big hair accessories, but for me, I really love this. So I wanted to include this in this video. Let me know what you think. Okay, and for this next hairstyle, I'm going to be taking another claw clip, of course, but I don't just want to place this on top of my hair in the standard way. So I am doing this twisting method that we saw earlier in this video, and I'm going to place my claw clip on top. I just wanted to include this claw clip in this video because I think it's so cute. It's fluffy, it's perfect for autumn. It feels so cozy, and I'm just thinking of this with your loungewear, your Uggs, and even your aviator jackets and the shearling jackets. Like, I just love it. So I just wanted to include it. And here's another half up, half down for you, except in this one, I'm actually going to be pulling my hair up a lot higher than I have done for the previous hairstyles. And that's because of this hair clip that I want to use. I just played around with this hair clip and I found that this was the best way to style this and make the most of it. It just likes to be up high, and I like to create a lot of height on top of my head with this. So it's very different from other half up, half down hairstyles where everything seems very sleek and pulled back. This one's definitely creating that height in the hairstyle. So it's just a bit of inspo, I guess, just to kind of show you what you can do with half up, half downs, show you what you can do with claw clips. I really love this clip in particular. I wish I could keep wearing it all through autumn. I mean, I can, but this was definitely one of my favorite summer hair clips. So I hope you like it too. Definitely let me know which one of those half up, half down claw clip hairstyles was your favorite in the comment section down below. And if this video is helpful in any way, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you like this type of video where I'm basically giving you a compilation of hairstyles, then let me know. I do post a lot of these hairstyles in short form content here on YouTube and on my other platforms as well, but those are always very short and snappy, and we don't always get to explain exactly what I'm doing with my hair. But if you do just like to have this slightly longer, more in-depth, more informative tutorial type of video for each hairstyle, then let me know in the comment section, because that feedback is always going to be very helpful to me. If you want to see my face again, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, definitely drop that in the comment section down below. I am going to be making a whole range of content. My next video is probably going to be a travel vlog because I'm in New York right now. Have an amazing week, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.